Today we are crafting a luxurious DIY whipped hair butter. Now this butter is going to provide you with a lot of different benefits to grow your hair. It looks like I will be adding a new playlist to the series of videos that I will be making. Hair care. Hair butter, even in my skincare products. This rosemary does have a lot of beneficial properties. Avocado oil is the base oil. Mango butter is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fatty acids that nourish the scalp. Welcome to my YouTube channel, everybody. I want to take this time and thank everyone who has subscribed to this YouTube platform. Again, whether or not it is something that you are interested in, especially the groups in Toronto who has subscribed, thank you so much. This platform, I will be using it to help me with the not-for-profit that I have funded with regards to helping low-income families of kids who are unable to get certain school haircuts. Currently, I have an initiative every year where I provide 3 haircuts for back to school for families of low income. And I am currently working on a few other initiatives where I could give back to the community in many different ways, especially for youth who are starting their first jobs, because I have been in different industry, especially the beauty industry with hairstyling. I thought this would be a great way to introduce an initiative that would be beneficial for families. I want to thank you who took your time to subscribe to my platform and also viewing the videos. That is helping me build this channel to what it is going to become in the future. In my hands, I am drinking rosemary tea. The video for the tea will be in the playlist for the Tea Time Talk and Nature's Apothecary. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, and in the comments below I want you to ask me questions on any information that I provide within the video that you maybe need clarity on, because again, this is all my research based on me making my skincare hair care products. This is what has been working based on the reviews that I have been getting from my customers, and also growing up in the Caribbean where my family, my ancestors used to use a lot of these herbs. I decided this would be a best way to just introduce it on this platform, just diving in every single ingredient that I currently use in my business. So grab yourself a cup of hot tea, okay? And join me for this live video. This whipped hair butter is perfect for your natural hair health, growth, hydration, moisture, and health. This hair formula is ideal for anyone within the hair community. I see a lot of videos on different DIYs. This one is one of my personal favorites here at Darcy Kane Organics. If you are looking to nourish and strengthen your hair, I think you should try this powerful blend of ingredients in your hair care regimen. And guess what? I have a powerful herb I will be using today, which is the rosemary. I want you to check out this video right now. The video I created prior gives you a lot of information on the different uses of the rosemary herb. This is something I use on a regular basis, whether it is for a tea or hair oil or hair butter, even in my skincare products. This rosemary does have a lot of beneficial properties. It's anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antimicrobial. So it does have benefits both for internal health and external health. Each butter and oil I will be using, they do contribute different benefits to your hair growth because each have their own unique properties. Let me get all the ingredients ready and get them melted. I will tell you what each butter I have in my hands, the benefits are. Okay, let's melt the butters. To start, I'm melting our butters. Each of these exotic butters bring distinct moisturizing, healing, and strengthening properties that make this hair butter nourishing. We're also going to be adding our infused rosemary oil, which has a blend of different oils, which I'm gonna get into. I got this Kupasu butter from one manufacturer in Ontario, rich in phytosterols, which helps lock in moisture and restores elasticity to the hair. It's actually incredible in hydrating and can penetrate into hair strands, making it ideal for promoting your hair texture. It helps with reducing the frizz of your natural hair, and also it does enhance the shine. Kupasu butter also helps protect hair from damage due to sun and pollution. I'm not sure which part of Canada you're living, or if you're living whichever part of the world you are. If you are in a hot climate where the sun rays are pretty hot, Kupasu butter is one you could definitely use on your hair, especially if you have those dry, frizzy hair. I'm in Edmonton right now, and this is one of the main reasons I use this butter in my hair care products, because Edmonton is very different. It's drying as in comparison to Toronto, which is a bit more humid. Edmonton is very drying on the hair, and this is definitely a butter you could include in your hair care regimen if you live in a very dry climate. Now, this butter is mango butter. Look at the texture. Mango butter is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fatty acids that nourish the scalp and strengthen hair. It's lightweight yet moisturizing, making it great for all hair types. Mango butter can reduce breakage, making hair less prone to split ends, while also adding a beautiful softness and bounce. One of the main reasons I use the mango butter in my hair care line, especially my hair butter, it's because of its versatility. I could sell my hair butter for all hair types, and the percentage of mango butter I use in my hair care products is very high, because again, I want everyone to be able to use my hair care products and know that they're getting benefits for the type of hair they actually have. Now, here in my hands, I have the cocoa butter. This one is the flake form. I also have the other versions of it, but I just wanted this just for camera purposes. I just felt it just looked nice and simple, and it's faster if I'm making something simple at home for my son, especially his skin. I love using the cocoa butter. I grew up with cocoa butter. It's one of the main butters I use back home on the island. It is an incredible emollient that protects and smooths the hair. This butter has been used for centuries to moisturize and repair hair. It's packed with antioxidants that improve your hair elasticity and soften coarse and curly hair textures, making it more manageable and shiny. The cocoa butter combined with the mango butter is a powerhouse for dry, frizzy hair that is very rough. If you want your hair to be sleek and smooth, these two combined together, they're powerful to give you that smooth hair texture. Cocoa butter is less known, but potent. It's a very potent butter that's especially beneficial for promoting a healthy scalp, right? Remember, this one is for the scalp. It's non-greasy and quickly absorbed into the hair, protecting cell regeneration and improving hair elasticity. This butter works wonders on brittle hair, adding strength and reducing breakage over time. If you're listening to the different benefits of these butters, you will see that the combination is pretty. I'm adding a bit of shea butter. Shea butter is renowned for its ability to deeply condition and protect hair. It's rich in essential fatty acid, vitamin A and E, and has a natural anti-inflammatory property that soothes the scalp. Shea butter helps in sealing moisture, making it perfect for keeping curly and coily hair types hydrated and defined. Everyone right now knows what shea butter is. If you do not know what shea butter is, when I dive in a bit more on individual ingredients, we'll definitely navigate the origins, where the shea butter comes from, and what it is used for, how you can use it, its benefit, and see whether or not that's something you could add to your hair care regimen. Now that our butter have melted and set in the fridge, I will whip them to a fluffy texture and add our oils. Each oil in the blend has a special role in nourishing and promoting the hair growth. Now, this is my oil, my infused oil, and inside of here I have the avocado oil, jojoba oil. I have avocado oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil. Which other one do I have? I think that's it I have in this one, because I didn't want to add too much because I'm blending it in the hair butter. And I have a bit of rosemary essential oil inside of my infused oil. Avocado oil is the base oil for all my products. It's one of my favorite oils to use. So avocado oil provides deep moisture to the hair thanks to its high content of the vitamin B and E, which helps strengthen the hair follicles. It also provides hair elasticity, making it less prone to breakage and damage, especially for natural and textured hair types. Now, the jojoba oil is similar to our scalp's natural hair oils, right? And natural oils, making it great for balancing oil production and unclogging the follicles. This helps promote hair growth and keep the scalp in optimal health, preventing dryness and flakiness. The third oil I have in there is the hemp seed oil, which is rich in omega-6 and 3 fatty acid, which supports hair density and thickness. It's a lightweight oil that provides scalp hydration without the greasiness, and it helps in reducing scalp inflammation, often associated with hair loss. Now, the infused oil with the essential oil, the rosemary infused oil and essential oil together, they stimulate the circulation in the scalp, promoting a healthier, stronger hair growth. Rosemary has been shown to combat thinning and breakage, making it ideal for anyone dealing with hair loss or wanting to boost like the hair growth naturally. I'm just going to call my son and show you my son here, because I will be using the butter on his hair. In another video, I will show you how I make the infused oil. So the link is going to be here as well. I'm going to make sure you have that information so you could use it. My whipped hair butter is now completed. I'll show you how to apply it by taking a small amount, rubbing it in your palms and gently massaging it onto whether it is your client's scalp, hair, your kids, or yourself. This butter is perfect for sealing moisture in after washing, or for just adding softness and shine to your dry hair. You could see my son here, how it's looking. It looks a little brittle, dry. I love to add a bit of water on his hair first, and then a bit of the oil, and I go in with the butter to seal all the moisture and the water in. You could also use it as a protective hairstyle, a protective hairstyling product, especially if you want to lock in hydration and promote long-term growth. Definitely a butter you want to add to your hair care regimen. This DIY whipped hair butter is packed with natural ingredients known for their moisturizing and growth promoting benefits. It's ideal for anyone in the hair community looking to nourish their hair holistically and naturally. If you're interested in trying this blend, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more holistic hair care formulation on this channel. I truly appreciate the love and support. If you did try this hair butter, let me know in the comments below what your hair is looking like. I will have to create a place where you guys could send me photos of you using some of the regimen. I have a website, Dorothy Kane Organics, where I sell my hair care products. Just head over there, see how I have everything laid out. Sometimes a pic helps, you help the algorithm drive more traffic. It's all about clicking that link and see what products I have on that website. Feel free to leave like if you want to donate. I do have a non-for-profit that I'm working hard to ensure I get 1,000 kids next year free haircuts, and I'm working on different hairstyles for kids as well. I will see you guys in the other video. I'm going to show you how to make the hair oil, and I will show you how to just make a nice hot cup of tea using rosemary. See you in my next video.